guys, how are you doing? So today we'll make some delicious and easy pancakes. So firstly we'll need some flour, like 1 cup, or I use 2 cups here, large cups, and some cinnamon. Oh, hey you, how are you? And a large cup of milk, 2 large spoons of oil, cooking oil, 2 eggs, and some salt, sugar, and baking powder. You can use also baking soda. So yeah, we'll put firstly the baking powder, as you see here. We'll put some sugar, 2 large spoons of sugar, 1 and 2. Half spoon of salt, and we mix this up slowly. Just whisk, as you see, slowly. And now we'll make a hole or circle here for the other thing, as you see, like this in the middle. Yeah. Now we'll take the 2 eggs and put it in this bowl. 1, the other one, 2. Yeah. We'll use some the oil, the cooking oil, 2 large spoons. Now we'll put some cinnamon, as you see here, and we'll mix this up with a fork. After that, we'll use or pour the large cup of milk, as you see. Like this, and we mix it again. So after that, we'll take this and pour it to our hole here, slowly, as you see, all of it, and mix this up again. So after mixing up, it sounds like this, as you see. Sorry for the mess. Now we're at the final step, which is put this in a pan. Now let's bring our pan and do some butter here. Let's bring our pancakes, our first one. So like this, 1, 2, and 3. Easy, and yeah, as you see. Now let's change it. Atlala, as you see. So guys, this is the final result, as you see. Please press the subscribe button and the like button, and see you again. Peace.